The central bank recently instructed all licensed banks to sell 25% of the foreign exchange inflows they receive through workers' remittances and export proceed residuals to the central bank. This directive came as a step of the central bank to consolidate its dollar reserves. Deutsche Bank, however, says the toughened dollar surrender rule would aggravate forex crunch in the country. The tighter dollar surrender rule, which came into effect from the start of this week, would have perverse outcomes as it would leave fewer dollars with the banking system for imports, potentially exacerbating the foreign currency troubles faced by importers and thereby worsening the shortages in some commodities. According to a note sent out to its clients by Deutsche Bank, an exporter who sells $100 to his commercial bank earlier resulted in the bank selling $10 or 10% back to the central bank, leaving $90 with the commercial bank. But from Monday onwards, the commercial bank is required to surrender $25 or 25% from the $100 that was sold by the exporter, leaving it with only $75. This, according to the Deutsche Bank, will leave less amount of dollars with the banking system available to be sold when the importer comes up with rupees for opening letters of credit. As a result, the dollar shortage confronted by the importers even to this day from around July this year could become more pronounced and thereby worsen the shortages of imported commodities in the local market.
The existing importers or those who need to remit funds out of the country, there will be a more acute shortage. I am assuming the central bank is doing this because their reserves are depleting, and the reason they are depleting is mainly because they are continuing to permit the government to service its foreign debt. It seems like they are prioritizing the needs of creditors over the needs of the citizens of the country. Due to these shortages of dollars, the scarcity of goods and services in the market is going to increase, and probably the prices also.